Next problem. Limit x tends to 1 secant pi by 2 into x into log x. So first we take x is equal to 1 directly in the given question. Then what we get? Secant pi by 2 into 1. Secant pi by 2. What is secant pi by 2 value? Infinite into log 1. Log 1 is equal to 0. So infinity into 0, which is the indeterminate form. So here just I change the value. So this is equals to, now I convert this value as limit x tends to 1 log x by, so since this is the indeterminate form infinity into 0, just I convert the given quotient here, log x by, what is secant pi by 2 into x? 1 by cos pi by 2 into x. That is, here I take that 1 by cos pi x by 2 in place of secant pi x by 2. Since secant x is equal to 1 by cos, okay, just I change the given quotient like that. Secant x is equal to 1 by cos. Now replacing x is equal to 1 here in the given quotient, then what we get? Log 1. Log 1 is equal to 0. Cos pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 is equal to 0. Now we get the form 0 by 0. That is, to solve this question, we can apply the L'Hospital rule. Now applying that rule. So this is equals to limit x tends to 1. Log x derivative is equal to 1 by x. Cos x derivative is equal to minus sin x. Minus sin pi x by 2. Again pi x by 2 derivative is pi by 2. Now replacing that x is equal to 1. Okay. Log x derivative is equal to 1 by x. Cos pi x by 2 derivative is equal to minus sin pi x by 2. Again pi x by 2 derivative is equals to pi by 2. Now replacing that x is equal to 1. 1 by minus sin pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 is equals to 1 into pi by 2. So the answer is equals to minus 2 by pi. That is the first option. The next question, limit x tends to 0, root 1 plus x square minus root 1 minus x plus x square by 3 4 x minus 1. So limit x tends to 0, this question. So directly substituting the x is equals to 0 in the given question. 1 plus 0, 1 minus 0 plus 0, 1 by 3 power 0, 1 minus 1, that is 0. So it returns the value 0 by 0. We apply the L'Hospital rule. That is, doing the derivatives. Derivative of the numerator by derivative of the denominator. So this is equal to limit x tends to 0. This is root x form. What is root x derivative? 1 by 2 root x. 1 by 2 root 1 plus x square into, again x square derivative is equal to 2x minus, again this is root x form, and root x derivative 1 by 2 root x. 1 by 2 root 1 minus x plus x square into, again the derivative of this part, 1 derivative 0, minus x derivative minus 1, and x square derivative 2x. Okay. This is root x form. Root x derivative 1 by 2 root x. Again this part derivative 2x. Root x form 1 by 2 root x. Again this part derivative minus 1 plus 2x by 3 power x. 3 power x derivative 3 power x log 3 minus 0. Now taking that x is equal to 0. Then what we get? X is equal to 0 means 0 into this total part becomes 0. 0 minus 1 by 2. Root 1 minus 0 plus 0. That is 1. 1 by 2 into 1 into minus 1. X 0. So this part is minus 1 by 3 power 0, 1, that is only log 3, 1 into log 3. So answer is equals to 1 by 2 by log 3. That is 1 by 2 log 3. 1 by 2 log 3 is equals to 1 by log 3 square. That is 1 by log 9 is the answer. That is 1 by log 9 is the answer. That is the second option. Next question, limit x tends to 0 sin x by root x square. We have to find this limit value. So first this is equals to limit x tends to 0 sin x by, what is root x square value? Modulus of x. That is, this value is equal to plus or minus x. Now to find this value, first we have to take the left hand limit and right hand limit. What is left hand limit? Left hand limit, since here we have the modulus, we have to find the left hand limit and right hand limit. What is left hand limit formula? Limit x tends to 0 minus f of x. That is, limit x tends to 0 minus, what is the given function? Sin x by mod x. This is left hand limit value. Now x tends to 0 minus means this is the less than 0. X tends to 0 minus means we take the number which is less than 0. X less than 0 means what is mod x value? Mod x value is equal to minus 6. X tends to 0 minus means we take the value x less than 0. 0 minus the values which are less than 0, x less than 0. Then the value of mod x is equal to minus 6. So this is equals to limit x tends to 0 minus sin x by minus 6. And limit x tends to 0, sin x by x is equal to 1. So this answer is equal to minus 1. Okay, this is a direct formula, but here we have the minus sign, so answer is equal to minus 1. Now the next value, right hand limit. Right hand limit is equals to limit x tends to 0 plus f of x. 0 plus, what is f of x function? Sin x by mod x. Now x tends to 0 plus. 0 plus means 0 plus the value more than 0, that is x greater than 0. The value is more than 0, that is x greater than 0. So x greater than 0, then what is mod x value? Mod x is equal to plus 6. Now replacing that value here, limit x tends to 0 plus sin x by mod x is equal to x. So sin x by x is equal to 1. So here left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit. So the limit does not exist here. The limit of the given question does not exist. So answer is equal to last option.